Hello boys and girls, it's Mr. Vade. Today we're going to study a translation in geometry. We'll study what it means to translate a figure in geometry, and as a result we'll study what a translation is. So I have a question to begin. When I translate this triangle, will it rotate? Will it be resized? Will it be flipped? Or all of the above? Or none of the above? Think about that before I click the translate button. I'll tell you this. I will translate it 30 units on the x-axis and I'll say 60 units on the y-axis. So maybe a distance of 30 on the x and a distance of 60 on the y, and those distances would be reported in units. So what do you think? Will it rotate? Will it flip? Will it resize and become bigger or smaller? None of the above or all of the above? Here we go. What's happening to the triangle? Did it rotate? No. Did it flip? No. Did it get bigger or smaller and resize? No. It didn't do anything except move. And that's where I'd like to begin this lesson, with studying translations. A translation is a movement of a figure on a quadrant grid. The moving happens without rotating, resizing, or flipping. You see the word translation has the prefix trans in it. Trans means across. So how would I get this triangle to move across this, what we call a mirror line? And let's say I want the triangle's new points to be, or let's say I want the triangle's new coordinate pairs to be located one there, one here, and then one here. How would I get that to happen? Do you know? It's one of the things that we'll be studying in class on Monday. Well, all the x-coordinates will move the same distance and direction as each other. So see over here, 2, 8, our x-coordinate is 2, our y-coordinate is 8. In this coordinate pair, our x-coordinate is 2, our y-coordinate is 3, and in this coordinate pair, our x-coordinate is 7, and our y-coordinate is 3. So, in order to translate this figure, all of the x-coordinates would have to move the same distance. For example, this x-coordinate, when it moves from here to here, has to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units. Now, is that written as -9 because it moved left? Or is it written as just regular 9? I don't know. This number 2 here, it has to also move 9 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we've got our coordinate 2 here translated. 9 units to the left. We translated this coordinate 2, 9 units to the left. Let's see if I put this in the right spot. Did I move this from here to here 9 units to the left? I feel like I might have moved it 10, but let's test it out. I'll use a different color. What do you think? What does it look like to your eye? This 7 should move 9 units to the left. And if that's correct, I put it in the right spot here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, 10. I did move it one extra space, so this would be 9. I had a feeling that was off by a little bit. Let me move it. There we go. Now, because I've moved every x-coordinate pair 9 units, I have almost translated it fully. I would have to do something with the y-coordinate units, right? Well, let's say I said I was going to create a vector. Okay, and my vector was going to be -9, 9 units to the left, over -1. This means that my x coordinates are moving 9 spaces to the left, and that my y-coordinates would move 1 space, can you guess? 1 space down. So I'm moving 9 to the left and 1 space down, 9 to the left and 1 space down, 9 to the left and 1 space down. This is called a vector, and -9 over -1 means you move or translate your figure 9 spaces to the left and 1 space down. Watch. We'll finalize the translation here. 1, 2, 3. I'll erase this so you can see it a little bit better. And now I've translated my figure. Should have closed that a little bit better. Alright, those are translations for you. Our last video will be on reflections. Just look at this definition once again. Translating is moving without rotating, resizing, or flipping. Notice this did not rotate or resize or flip. It just moved. And, you know, I can move this triangle. Well, it's stuck on the grid, but I can move it. I could translate it this way, across quadrant 1 to quadrant 3. I could translate from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2, from quadrant 1 to quadrant 4, from 2 to 4, from 3 to 4. As long as it's not rotating, resizing, or flipping, and I'm just moving it. Thanks.